My name is Albert. I'm the CEO of B2 Group. B2 Group is a technology-based startup focused in large format additive manufacturing technology. We develop 3D printed boats and molds and some industrial components for the marine industry. For us, the potential of customized processes for customized pieces and to reduce price is quite interesting for scaling a business. And for this reason, we have the conviction that this type of technology is the future for manufacturing. We see here in the Fornex with Caracol exposing our first prototype of the B2's Zibo Cat. This type of boat is our first experience with this technology, and I think that feels really good. For us, it's the project that introduced us to this technology and to Caracol also. Large format additive manufacturing technology put us in a very good point in the market right now, because scalability that we have with this technology, it's quite amazing. We say development, we have ongoing projects like developing molds, doing some customized furniture for some type of different client. And for us, this technology, it's the future that we need to work right now. Work with an early stage technology that we need to improve every time that we work with it. This reason put us in a situation that we love. We stay quite comfortable working with Caracol, that's our principal partner right now. And I think that the future of this relationship, the future of the sector, and the future of the product in the market.